Alright, hi guys, so this is the tutorial for today. This is another that I had posted on Instagram, and you guys decided, no, I had said that, you know what, I'm gonna make this video be the first tutorial I film for this year. I don't know if that happened. I don't know where my mind is right now, but yeah, so I posted this and I had on this. It did shot. The look was a slap away, but yes, so this is the look. I used only one palette. I got Julia's, and it's dirty Tribe palette, and I use 3 colors only. I use Masai, Tootsie, and Sun, and for my glow I used Coral, and for my blush I used Oromo. So this is the only palette I use for, and I love using my eyeshadows for blush and for glow. I like a one palette thing. That's what I want to do, and that's what I'll do. Is that powder? Is that powder? Okay. Yeah, so this is the tutorial for today, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. It's extremely simple, pop of color green. It's just and on my lips I'm wearing literally by Kylie Cosmetics. I love her lip glosses. I'm just saying. Enjoy the video, you guys. Alright guys, welcome to the voiceover. So I'm using my LA Pro primer in black, and this is going to serve as a base. When you see how beautifully this matte green lays on it, you guys are just gonna you're gonna live. So I always blend out my my bases whenever I put them on. It just helps the eyeshadow to go on a whole lot smoother, and it doesn't leave it blotchy and stuff. So this is the green. I'm sorry it's blurry, guys. That's the green. Look at that. It's laying. It's so beautiful. I love this LA Pro primer. On this day my house was very full. It was this what, a Sunday? I don't know, but today did full. So you know, a few people were dropping back the video. I don't know if you guys can oh, that was Jermaine. Oh, I never realized, you know, I didn't deliberately edit that in there, you guys, but it's in there now. I take it out, right? But yeah, so German was, which day was this? I can't remember. Anyways, I'm using that green. This could easily be like a one eyeshadow palette, a one eyeshadow look, or a one color eyeshadow look easily. But I was like, you know, on the day I did not do that, and yeah, I love green. I love how this. I love how it looks on me. I think it looks really nice. Right, so just use different greens so that the colors you know, for dimension. So I'm gonna, this one, and this is going to be going on my brow bone. I, you know, say now gonna show up like yellow green. See, like barely. It just looks like a nice, it looks like a really cool perfect brow bone color, but you're not gonna know, say like it's a yellow green me use. So now I'm going to take my LA Pro primer in black again, and I'm gonna line my eye. Is what I'm going to do, my waterline and my lash line, and as usual I'm gonna blend it out, and then blending it out I'm going to pull it down past my lash line. Now your lash line, that's where your lashes grow from, and the waterline is that inner part close to your eyeball. So I'm going to, it's both on my waterline and on my lash line, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to just sweep that green again that I use on the lash line. Sweep and pat, sweep and pat. Jaleel, I'm working. You can't, I know it's bring your child to work day, but you can't be shouting. You have to, no, just relax. And then I'm going to go with that green and go right underneath the green that I use. So I'm just repeating what I did on top, on the bottom. And however, for my what your name again, for my happy area, my inner area, I'm going to be taking my LA Pro primer in white. And I didn't show what I also blended this out, and then I'm going to be applying this gorgeous green, and it's just gonna set in. I can tell the difference with when applying the white and the black. You see how when you have a base underneath it, how it pops, and the base never pop on my brow bone area. That's because I didn't use a base. I'm sorry, there's no base on my brow bone area, so it's not gonna pop, you know, just was a nice washer color. So then this is gonna be my glow. I have my lashes on. Oh my god, Jelly. Everything except, I'm sorry guys, I have a 8 month old. No, he's 8 months, you guys. Wow, 8 months, and I'll be doing an update on him. He's 8 months now. And that's my blush. So as I said in the intro, everything I use is from the palette, and my my lippy is literally from Kylie Cosmetics. Is it literally or like? I think this is like, God, I don't remember. I said it in the intro. But this is the look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Yo, I really want to thank you guys for sticking around with me, you guys. Your support, it means a ton to me, and you guys are still here after all of that, after me going missing for a month and not telling you that I would have gone missing. You know, I just really appreciate you. And as I said, for this channel, it's gonna be all different. By the way, I'm done. Yeah, it's gonna be all different this year. I want to include some other things. I want to include fitness, vlogs, all that good stuff. So I'll be definitely diversifying this channel. And my other channel has been demonetized, so my lyric uncut. So this is gonna be my everything channel, and it'll be good to add some diversity. So this is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.